Hello friends, I'm Shweta K. Modi. I welcome you all to my channel, The Sparkling Universe. Today we are here to do some pick a card reading. It's guidance from Divine to how to deal with difficult situation in your life. Just relax yourself and look at the decks. We have 3 different stones on each deck. Just try to feel the energy which connects you the most and note down the stone or the deck. We will now start with the readings. So if you are drawn to deck 1, the first pile, it has citrine stone. Citrine means anything in abundance which is attracting more of positivity in abundance. It is time for you to envision your goals and release any kind of stress or anxiety related to it. So encourage yourself more and more to express freely as much as possible. Just talk to people related to the situation or the problem. It will become easier for you when you communicate to get correct answers, and also you'll get peace of mind. We'll move to the first card, which is from God Goddess deck. So it says Ma Bhadrakali. Ma Bhadrakali is blessing you with powers to enjoy your worldly and earthly needs. Just check on yourself whether you are missing on any kind of major point which is in your favor, and it's a very small point which we are not looking at. So be more fearless and also try to access to your feminine side, your feminine powers, your virtues. So just grab on those energies related to feminine. If you still are not able to cope up with any kind of issue which is going around, just surrender to Ma Bhadrakali. She is with you, blessing you. Thank you, our dearest God Bhadrakali Ma. So the second card is from Cartomancy, which is 8 of Hearts. It's a card of success in love relationships or any kind of energy to do with love. It wants to give you a message that there is movement or change in thoughts or inner self of yours. Or if it is not resonating, it might also indicate that there is a lack of movement or stagnation is there somewhere which needs to be eliminated from your self or the situation around you. Just try to bring more harmony and peaceful energies in every aspect. It basically shows a small change or understanding can bring promising and healthy results for you right now. So moving on to the third card, which is from the Rider-Waite tarot card deck. That is the Sun in reverse position. So basically it's a yes card, and it also shows that there is some lack of movement or there is some gap in the communication or the efforts which are put in. You need to think more clearly towards your goal. Also, there is a second chance which is given to you by Divine to just rectify and enhance the possibilities. It also indicates that it should be handled with care. So chances are there of delay of some kind of situation or the sadness being there. It's a fire element card. Again, it guides us to be more humble. Might be the anger or anxiety related issues can create more trouble to you. Just be more and more humble to yourself and others involved in the process. So the fourth card is again from the Rider-Waite tarot deck card. It says Emperor in upright position. Again, it's a fire element card. It is an indication of authority, rigidity, insecurities. Your growth might be restricted because of the attitude towards the situation. So don't let the fire element or the anger, anxiety feelings to dominate. Little change in the attitude will bring a lot many clearance to the mind. Someone is trying to manipulate or dominate you or your family. You can also go and confront the problem. That is the simplest and easiest way. So just try to communicate. As we have seen, the other cards also indicate the communication gap. So try more communicative skills. People involved are very hardworking and wise. but there is some emotional decision which is not being taken, so you can just peep inside the emotional side of it as well. There's a message from divine: either be very humble or gentle to yourself and the people involved, or might be there is a chance that rigidity will worsen the situation or problem. Then moving on to the fifth card, that is again from the tarot deck card of Rider-Waite. Eight of Pentacles in reverse. So if your question is related to any kind of finance, it is an indication that there is something related to finance which is not properly going on. The returns are not up to the mark which you have expected. The work is also not that skillful. Little more efforts might be required. New way of thinking should be there. And working needs to be seen as it is not serving the purpose. Like you can just go on finding new ways, or there is some gap which is being created there. Again and again I'm saying the same thing. So in short, it says more humble and harmonious approach towards your problem or issue is needed. Also, we need to balance the fire element, so be aware that anger energies don't spoil or worsen the situation. Just surrender to Ma Bhadrakali. She will take care of all your worries and tensions. Also, you can communicate more, or you can keep a tumble stone of citrine, or you can just wear a bracelet of citrine. Citrine will attract lot many positive aspects for you and more of clarity. So this is about pile 1. So if you're drawn to pile 2, which has red jasper stone, is an indication that there is need for grounding in all situation related to work or finance or health, any kind of thing. More of grounding energies is required. You can work on your root chakra as well, because that is the grounding chakra, and it is a base of all the chakras. So we can chant its Bij mantra, that is Lam. It will help you raise your energy levels and stamina. So along with this red jasper stone, we have God Goddesses card deck. We have Ma Bhumi, which again means related to grounding energies and connecting to Mother Earth. She is blessing you to expand and grow. She blesses us to protect our natural self. Don't forget, we all are here as a child, and we are the children of Mother Earth, and she is nurturing us all. Try more of keeping red jasper energy or red color stone around you. Just chant on Bij mantras of the root chakra. We can just chant as Lam, Lam. So we can say like Lam. We can just give some pause in between chanting 3 to 4 times, or whichever intuitive numbers you get. You can just chant this Bij mantra. This will give your root chakra very well balanced energy. Overactive or underactive root chakra will not serve the purpose as we want. Moving on to second card, as per cartomancy, it is 7 of spades, which means a challenging situation. We will not like to much see this card in our reading. It is not a card particularly for our question if it is related to love or relationship. We find it a little bit on a negative part. It mostly represents setbacks. Victory is possible, but the chances of conflicts are there. Taking help of wise people will be very helpful for you in this situation. Bring changes in thinking so that we can just see the positive aspects of it. Try to gain wisdom as much as possible. Moving on to the third card, which is from Rider-Waite's tarot card deck. That is 10 of cups in reverse position. It is a good card. The problem is not major. All the cards which we have seen or which we are seeing right now is all related to minor arcana, which means there is not a major problem. Only the thinking and the approach towards it needs to be very carefully selected. Try to appreciate everything around you, because there is a lot many things which are there and we are not able to see those good energies. You need to find out if there any member in your family needs help. Something might be troubling them. There might be a feeling of loneliness due to kids might be away from house, or related to kids, any kind of loneliness feeling can be there inside. Divine is giving you message that you should try to engage yourself in many more activities, whichever regains your passion or serves your purpose. Involve yourself in positive activities will help you feel more better and more self-worth. Next card again is from Rider-Waite's Tarot deck card, Six of Swords in upright position. It's a weight card. Don't try to go deep in any kind of situation right now. Just don't try to bifurcate what is right, what is wrong. Just try to be with the flow. And overthinking needs to be controlled. You are naturally moving away from the problem. So just going with the flow will solve your problem a lot. Also, it is giving a message that one trip can solve your problem or issue. You can just visit or talk to someone related to it. A small change in communication will change the entire situation. You may need to think new ideas, new plan. So plans might not go as per your wish right now, but it also might be indicating a turning point in your life. You need to learn certain lessons from your past situations. So do not repeat is the message from the divine which we completely feel right now. Positive news is very near in the future. So moving on to the next card again from Rider-Waite's Tarot deck card, that is Five of Swords. It again shows manipulation or might get victory, but won't be much satisfactory victory as of now. Relationship might be affected. It's a card of loss or humiliation. Might be you might feel any kind of humiliation, or people around you might feel humiliated. So be very careful, and before approaching anything, just be very careful. It's a temporary situation. Beware of people around you. Overall, second deck is more insisting on your grounding energies, focusing on yourself more, going with the flow, and just don't rush to any conclusion. Just wait the situation to get over or change until then. And try to meditate as much as possible. Call upon Archangel Michael to help you, protect you and your family as well. So this is a card which is more related to nurturing energies, like you can call upon Mother Earth to help you release all kind of tensions or worries. The problem is not major, as we have got all the minor arcana cards in it. Keep yourself very grounded, safe and secure. So now we'll be moving on to the next pile. If you're drawn to deck 3, which has rose quartz stone, a stone of universal love, brings more harmony, trust and love energies in any kind of relationships. It helps in overcoming any kind of heartbreaks or emotional turmoils which you are facing right now. Encourages the feeling of peace, self-love, self-worth. Elevates your heart chakra to be more calm and compassionate towards everything, even yourself right now. Try surrounding yourself in pink, soothing, soft energies. So this is about the stone. Moving to the first card, which is from God Goddess's deck. It's Lord Parshurama. He is said to be the 6th avatar of Lord Vishnu. When you want clarity on any kind of issue, just call upon Lord Parshuram. He will be blessing you for teaching and learning abilities of yours. Also to gain lot of wisdom, knowledge. If you want justice for something, you can invoke him and his blessings are with you. So it will give you a lot of peace energies and clarity energies. So we thank Lord Parshurama. Second card is from Cartomancy. It's a Six of Hearts. Again, heart is related to love energies. This card simply means harmony. The situation will be soon peaceful for you, and it indicates law and order. Either you can go by following law and order, and also it shows communication and cooperation. So love energies are more powerful. It is giving you guidance to connect to your inner self. You can also connect to your soul. Soon there is a period of spring around you, which will balance all your worries. So don't worry, and relationship will go very smooth after this. It's giving indication of more family and socializing factors, like you can more be with friends, family. Try to spend time with love energies around you. Give good amount of time to your social life. That is what it brings inner happiness for you right now. So moving on to the third card, which is from Rider-Waite's tarot deck card, which is Justice in upright position. It's a maybe card. It's not a proper yes or no card. A midlife card, which means a person is involved in the matters, are very good, honest and matured people. There is a balance in the issue, like both the sides are trying to solve the problem with maturity. There's a message that don't try to hide anything. You will always get what is rightfully yours, that is for sure, according to the Justice card in upright position. Might be the hidden things are creating more issues and problem for opposite person as well as for you to understand certain situations. If anything related to legal matters, you might face little obstacles, but ultimately you will be getting what is rightfully yours, and universe is guiding you that not to take anybody's side in any situation. This is for your safety. Just try to be more diplomatic, or else just go to deeper aspects of the situation where you find what exactly is right or wrong according to law, order, rules, regulation, anything. Beware of signing certain issues or problem or documents. So moving on to the fourth card, which is from Rider-Waite's tarot deck card. The Empress in reverse position is an indication of loneliness, but this loneliness is by choice. Everything is there, and there's only lack of desire, I feel. Might be the person involved don't want to give what is rightfully yours. He is a matured person. Issue related to childbirth or fertility might be a problem. Try to invoke your feminine side more. So there is something which is hidden or fishy. Beware of entire scenario. Try to see the grassroots levels of the problem. Person is good, but again he is trying to isolate himself from everyone, knowingly, unknowingly, but willingly. Moving on to the fifth card, that is again from the Rider-Waite's tarot deck card. So it is the Death card in reverse position, which is giving the indication of stagnation or feeling of inability to move. There is opportunity to change. Do not resist to any kind of change related opportunities. Just try to grab on those energies. The worst is over. Your inner self wants to move out of this stagnated energies. So just release and replace these negative energies from your past and move towards positive aspects of life. Whatever has happened is over. Try to start it with fresh note. It will give you a lot of boost in the near future. So might be you feel right now there is end of everything. You might not see a great path ahead, but there is light after that. There is a big transformation within you, and it might be noticed by few of your close friends or close family members or the ones you are close to. So overall, this pile of deck is indicating the major positive change in a particular situation, which will help you transform yourself and help you learn certain lessons and move with positive change in life. Just balance and harmonize yourself is important right now. This is all about the third pile. Thank you so much. So hope it resonates to you all. Do like and share this video. Also, please subscribe our channel for more pick a card readings and on different topics with different deck of cards. So until then, signing off, Shweta K. Modi from the Sparkling Universe. Stay tuned, stay connected, love and light. Thank you. See ya.